NASDAQ dropping. And I'd say the last move out of this would genuinely just be the break down to this liquidity level, right? Liquidity level. Let me take a look at DAX. Oh my. Good old NASDAQ fucking around like it does. Come on, NASDAQ, shoot to the moon. Nice. Nice. I'll tell you what's good. These London sessions from now on, because we're leaving DAX alone. Genuinely. Boom. Beautiful stuff. Well, not beautiful, but... Oh yeah, he's on the 1 minute time frame. That's correct. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Look at the liquidity. Lovely. Beautiful TPs. But what's the overall direction for NAS? That's a bit too much. Bearish, but bullish on the 5 minutes. So pull back. So we could easily break above there and get that liquidity. 1 minute time frame, so 10 pips stop, plenty. Yeah, for me that's plenty. Okay, gold on the right, barely any volume right now. All right, it's cool. It's pretty far down. I mean, that's like a long range target for us. That is the 5 minute time frame, yeah. All right, I'll tell you right now, my I'd be aiming for there max to the downside, and then to the upside, just clear up this little move there. That's fine. I'll take that all day. Tired as a motherfucker. Right. I'm keeping my eye on NASDAQ. I'm gonna fucking sell NASDAQ. I'm taking a sell on NASDAQ right now. If it respects that little trend line that it's creating, then I'll figure that out when it comes. But right now I'm in for sells with NASDAQ. Bit of a wiki action, but it is what it is. Straight back to entry. I get it. Needs the retracements and shit. It is choppy as fuck too. I'm closing the entry before it even goes into the reds. There's no point in me letting it come all the way back up, right? I explain to people all the time. If you're in profit and it comes back to entry, what's the point in letting it fucking go into the reds? Just re-enter if you need to. I'd rather that than fucking risk it going all the way back up, do you know what I mean? And it not being a retest. So I need to see some bearish momentum now. Come on, NASDAQ. But yeah, I tell people all the time, right? Don't let price come like this far down, hit your 1-to-1, then come all the way back up and just think it's going to do this, because it could just go like this. Then you're just holding a loser, right? So I wonder, yeah, it makes sense. Nice one, Cole. I wonder what DAX is doing though. I don't want to look at it, but did anyone trade DAX this morning? If so, have they been fucked over yet? Or have they just made the bag? This could be another entry right there. NASDAQ dropping. So I just closed 2 positions and I actually got a third one running. Third one just got taken out. So yeah, I entered on the break. It came back to entry, so I closed. Seen the retest, the bearish momentum, got back in. And put a third position on this white line that I said was a good entry, right? I like the 1 minute time frame. I forgot about the fucking 1 minute time frame being so nice and volatile. And yeah, I don't know why I don't trade the 1 minute more often, especially during London session. I still believe it's going to come down and tap into this 4-hour liquidity level. Looks like NASDAQ's just rejected that EMA and is on the way down to the liquidity level. But let me take a look at DAX. Oh my days. Wow. Wow, DAX. The first day that I don't trade you. Okay, I get it. Alright, there we go. That's the full TP. I've just closed everything again. This is what I mean about good days. You can call that overtrading if you want. I don't give a shit. The markets have been treating me like shit, so they owe me something. And I did say that. Yeah. I know that's like the number one thing. The markets owe you nothing. They fucking do. Trust me. They've been pissing on me, right? So, cool. Just killed that. Absolutely murdered it. Yo, what's good? What is good, chat? Did I win yesterday? No. I didn't win yesterday, did I? I don't even remember. I don't think so. I'll be honest with you. Twitch, I didn't win yesterday, I don't think. I won big today on London, though. Got a good London video coming. Fucking teared NASDAQ up on the London session this morning. But, yeah. New day, same shit. London session was fucking amazing. I loved it. And I trade the 1 minute time frame. Hillier, you called me a 1 minute warrior yesterday. And something happened today. I went to war on the 1 minute time frame and fucking mashed it up. NASDAQ on the left, US 30 on the right. Let's mark up some zones. Let's get it going. Fuck, you know, yeah. Cool. Zones. We got zones. Lovely. Nothing wrong with those. Let's hope today treats us better than yesterday, because yesterday was horrid. And I'm not just saying it. Fast breakout traders, we've been having a rough fucking time during these opens, okay? So yeah, it's not been pretty. Hopefully next month's better, but all we can do is just stick to the plan, keep going. You know what I mean? Try our best to stay in the game. A moth or a butterfly, but the rolly get another bezel. All right, we'll wait for a minute. Let me check news. Now we're good. We're good on the news side of things. NASDAQ's really choppy. Clearly, like to continue down. That'd be nice. All right, we're gonna keep that like that. All right, cool. I ain't seen a nice clean trend in a while. Like, I'll be honest with you. I've got 5 minutes left. Loads of time. Let's go. You want some 1 minute action? Nah, seriously now. Fuck me, US 30's already broke. I couldn't get in. I could not get in. NASDAQ on the other hand though. CS buys for NASDAQ. Buys for NASDAQ. Let's go. Go on NASDAQ. Shoot to the moon. We got this. Boop. I just closed NASDAQ. That was beautiful. Yeah, that was a nice breakout. About time. Wait. Is this that break and retest? I've been all over break and retests recently. Bro, I'm gonna go to sleep, lol. Go on, get your head down, Greg. Nice. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna close it. Fuck it. No, I still haven't closed it. I'm trying to close it, but my finger won't let me. Fuck you, I'm closing. Both of them. Bam. So I caught the clean breakout and I caught the break and retest. Gives a fuck. Alright, cool. Banging session, I can't lie. I'm fucking gassed. That's a fire session in my eyes. So let's go. I'm gone. I'm done.